Hi guys, this is the most recent project of mine and I had used Django to develop the entire project. It is a blogging platform, but from the traditional blogging platform it has some difference that anyone can create blog posts in this platform who only need to register through Google or manually, and they can start writing blog posts, and the user can follow the other users or other others who are already registered in this platform. As you can see, the template is entirely developed by me using Tailwind CSS, Jquery, and some other technologies. Tailwind CSS is really awesome for creating futuristic, better UI designs, and also I have focused on search engine optimization that is really necessary for a blogging platform. So here you can see the technologies that I had used to create the entire platform. So now let me show you the search engine optimization score of this platform. So this is the Google Lighthouse, and here you can see the search engine optimization score is 100%, and you can see 93% the best practice score. And this is the sitemap.xml file which will help the search engine to understand when you are doing some changes or creating new posts. And now I am going to show you everything about the front end and how the site is working functionally. First of all, you can see the navigation bar where there is a logo or the name of the site, that is I named it bloggy, and there you can able to see a draft icon and search icon. If you click on the search icon, you can able to see a, a search box where you can type anything. I am now typing Android studio, and here you can see the most similar posts are there which include the word Android studio. And here you can see the profile image, but now the user is not logged in, so that's why here only showing login. And if you click the pencil icon, you couldn't able to uh, draft the post because you are not logged in. And here you can see the category which you can scroll. And also if I click on the web div, there is the name, the color, and the icon, that is font awesome icon, and that all are selected by the admin, and the user could not do anything with that. Also you can see the URL is created on a search engine optimized manner, so the user can easily read it. There is not any special character excluding the hyphen. I will show you later how the category is created by the admin. Now let's scroll down. Here you can see the blog card or the list of the blogs, and here you can also see the pagination. And now let's move on to the home page, and let me show you the featured post. The featured posts are randomly selected by the server. If you refresh it, new featured posts are showing there. So whenever you are refreshing the page, the posts are randomly selected from the database and showing there. Also you can see the category with the category color, title of the post, and the date of publishing and other details on the featured post. And let's move on to the latest blog post. In this blog card you can able to see the cover image, the category, the title, author details, and published time. Also you can see the comment count and views count. That's also a great experience to add these features. So now let's scroll down. I think there will not any more post will show there, and there will not any section will there if you are not logged in. If you logged in there, you can able to see those users you are following. Now let's move on to the blog post, and here you can see the URL is on a search engine optimized manner as I said earlier. And here you can see the cover image, the published date, the title of the blog post, the author name and image, the category, and in down you can able to see the content. Also within the content there is image. There are several images that is uploaded by the user or author, and the comment is not allowed if you are not logged in on the platform. And on the right side you can able to see the related post which is sticky on the top when you are scrolling. Now I clicked on the user profile image and I redirect to the user profile page where I can able to see the details of Premraj MS, that is me. and the name of the username I have given it as Florabula. And you can see the bio here, the post count, followers count, following count, and a follow button. If you click on the follow button, it will say that you need to log in to perform this action. Okay, so, and you can see the contribution. There is web div 7 post under that category, Android div 2 post under that category, and you can see the latest post below the contribution box. And here you can see all the posts, and there is a pagination. If I click the second one, it will redirect to the second page, and you can see the active pagination there. And if I click again on the blog post, and you can see I said earlier, the entire blog post URL is created on a search engine optimized manner. So now let's move on to the login section and learn how to log into the platform or register the platform. Now I click on the login button. You can log in through Google and manually, and here you can register also through Google and manually. If you click on the Google icon, it will redirect to a Google page, and you can select the account. I already had an account on this platform, that's why I logged in here. So now you can see a bell icon on there, and if I click on there, you can see the notifications. Admin published a new post, user agent blah blah blah, and the other post, admin published a new post, and the post name. So now let's scroll down, and here you can see the users you are following, and you can see the person admin I am following, and the person I am following has published a post, and that's why a notification created there. And the following users, if you click on the user, then you can see the user profile. I unfollowed him, and refresh, the count will become 0, and I again followed the user, and if I refresh it, the count will became 1. And I'm going to the home page. So yeah, here the two people that I am following. So now let's move on to the profile page, where you can see my profile. Here you can see the profile details, profile name, and I am clicking on the following count, and here you can see the two people that I am following. And I'm going back, and here you can see post count, following count, edit profile. I clicked on edit profile, and here you can see the name and the contribution you can see here. And there is not any about us section, so I have go to the edit section and add an about session. So I'm gonna add what okay, founder of alog.marketnation.com. That's I'm copying that and paste. I'm gonna paste there on the about section and click submit. And now there is a sweet alert showing there, and here you can see the about section displayed. And here you can scroll down, you can see the edit and delete button there. If you click delete, it will delete, and if I click the pagination, it will redirect to the next page. And if I click edit the post, then you can see the entire post that I am created. And now let's move back and create a new post. Here I clicked on the pencil icon, and here you want to write a title, what a SEO, yeah, anything, you can write anything. Now I am writing a blog post on SEO. So meta description, which is also plays a major role in search engine optimization. It is better to write 160 less than 160 words on the meta description. And below you can see the category, where you can see all the category which is created by the admin only. And here you can see the Quill.js rich text editor. Here you can write blog post, edit it, format it, insert images, and do anything. I will show everything. I made it and heading, and here I'm typing something, and I'm gonna make it bold. Yes, okay. And now I am going to add an image. clicking on add image, then you can able to see an Ajax box there, and there's already 2 images there, and I clicked on upload image. Then you can upload new images, and I'm going to select a new image from my computer. Okay, save image. If I saved image, it will the image will added and displayed there. If I go back to the page, and here you click on refresh, then you can able to see the new image that I have added is displayed. And I clicked on the image, and it will added to the main blog editor, quill editor. And I had deleted the previously added image from the page, from the database, and now I have added a cover image. Okay, this is better, and click publish. Wait some time. Yes, congratulations, we have created a new blog post on SEO. So you can see the comment 0, view 0, and the meta description is really less. And when I click on the SEO, it will here you can see only one post is there. And if there is not any post, it will say that there is no post. Now I'm going to delete the post I had deleted. As you can see, there is not any post. And also you can see the contribution became 2 item. And if you go to the SEO page, no post yet is showing. Okay, I think now we need to go to the admin panel and find out how it is working, how the admin area is working. So admin box on URL, admin, and here password is also admin. Click sign in. So wait sometimes, and yes, this is the admin panel. This is a pre-built Bootstrap template which I have developed. I have copied from that themes wagon, and here you can see the user list, and the dashboard you can able to see the user count. When you click on the username, you will redirect to the user profile. You can see email, profile image, post count, created by, and the delete action bar. So also you can see the pagination on the bottom. Now I clicked on the delete, then an alert will show. And if I click again the dashboard, you can able to see the categories there. 10 categories are there. And if you click on the art category, you can able to see here is nothing showing. But if you type something there, I'm going to type a category which is already exist. And here you can see on the right side, you can see the demo or preview, and I had saved. There is showing category already exist, and redirect to the home page. Here you can see the already existing category, and here you can see edit and delete option, created by, and the slug. As I said, slug plays a major role. So here you can also see the total post, the post name, author name, category, created on, views, 17 views on the first post, and the action. If you click on the action, you can able to delete it. And going again to the home page and clicked on comments, there is 3 comments, so you can see there. And if you add any comment on there, I forgot to add that show that the comment. If you add some comments on there, you can edit and delete it, and the author can also edit and delete it. And here you can see the user registration details. The date of the user registration are given on the chart, and here you can see the post overview. In this month January, I had created almost 12 posts. Due to LinkedIn time restriction, I could not able to add some features. Sorry for that.